Hello and welcome to our family workshop. Now in this video we're doing a little bit of scroll saw troubleshooting, and it's to do with these little plastic pieces that you will be familiar with if you have a Hegner scroll saw that sit either side of the tension bar at the top of your scroll saw. So what is the troubleshooting when it comes to this particular piece on the scroll saw? So over the years, we start to notice different things because it's in daily use. They start to wear. And these two little plastic pieces, either side of the tension bar, over time they do wear. And you may notice that when you get sent your scroll saw, they definitely used to, I don't know if they still do, but Hegner actually send extra plastic pieces. And you may be wondering, well, why do they do this? The basic reason is, as you are working with your scroll saw and you push that tension bar back and forth, those two little plastic pieces, they start to wear. And we didn't have any issue with this particular piece for many, many years. But we started to notice the performance of our scroll saw was slightly being affected. So we decided to investigate. What is the problem? Why is it not cutting quite as well as it was before? And in many ways, it's a reflection of how good the Hegner scroll saws are. Because it wasn't as if it was a dramatic difference, but we're always looking for slight improvements. And what we noticed is over the years, those plastic pieces had worn down quite dramatically. And what that means is when you are working, as you can see us demonstrating with the scroll saw, you don't have the same level of tension on the blades as when you initially buy your scroll saw. So that is basically the point of this video, is to highlight how a simple little part to the scroll saw design can have an effect on its performance. Now basically what you can do about this, if you notice that those two little plastic pieces have worn on your scroll saw, you can either contact Hegner for replacement parts, or you may have been given with your original packaging with your scroll saw from Hegner those replacement pieces. You can change them over and you can carry on using your scroll saw and it will perform as if it is brand new out of the box. So there you go. That is just to give you a little insight, to give you an idea of something that may have an impact on the performance of your scroll saw. It is worth noticing that our scroll saw, it is in daily use. We are constantly working with our Hegner Multi-Cut 2S. So the number of times that those plastic pieces are being moved back and forth in the course of the year, it is in the thousands. So it is going to take time for these pieces to wear. The idea then of this video is to make you aware that this is something that will wear in time. It is something for you to bear in mind, and in the future you may need to consider replacing these components. The Hegner scroll saw then is a fantastic piece of equipment. If you're looking at this video and you're wondering whether this is an issue that would put you off, if you're considering buying a Hegner scroll saw, I would say absolutely not. It's a simple thing to change. It doesn't have a massive impact on the cutting of your scroll saw, but it is certainly worth noting if you want to keep your scroll saw cutting at its best. In time, you will need to replace these two plastic pieces. As you can see from the video, you can make numerous projects, all sorts of different things that we manage to make using our Hegner scroll saw. We use it to do a lot of our preparation here at our family workshop. All of our cutting out, getting ready projects for hand carving is done using our Hegner Multi-Cut 2S. The scroll saw for ourselves then, our Hegner scroll saw, we would highly recommend it, and it is an essential tool for everything that we do here at our family workshop. So there you go, hopefully that video is useful. Hopefully it just shares something with you that could in time cause an issue. If it's useful, don't forget, give us a thumbs up if you like what you see. Don't forget to subscribe as well and ring that bell so you know when we upload another video. And as always, thank you again for watching.